Okay, part two, back in the Arjona garage and the wagon project. So last where I left off, I think I started it, and so far took out the bumper, the rear bumper soft, and the front bumper too. I think I already took out the rear glass in the last video. Took out the front glass and I was right. There's a fat hole here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Pretty bad. So I sprayed the inside of it with the rust converter and the inside of this with more rust converter. Yeah, the windscreen's out. Hood's off. Ended up fixing all the rust in the front here and hitting it with edge primer. Also the front cowl to this piece right here, redone. I'm working on the fenders and hood. Had to actually knock out, there was a big fat dent here that I had to pinch out and pound out. There's rust in the fender too. Up in this end here, down below there like usual. This part I actually have the fiberglass back together because it's, yeah, real thin there. There was a lot of rust there. It was built up from these corners here. And I'll get to that soon, hopefully. Plan is over the long weekend to shoot my 2-part primer on it, not just etching primer. The hood. I found a low spot here that I had to fill. And that is coming along. Yeah. Oh, took the door handles out, door panels and trim. Let me get this thing open. Which is not too bad, you know. All the rust I've been treating with this, God, I was on YouTube and I found this concrete and metal prep. It works wonders. You see underneath this hood was all covered in rust, and I could wash these jams down. There's still some rust there, but it was heavily, real bad in there. Washed it down, so that's it for part two. Hopefully part three I'll get some 2-part gray primer on. And plan is to work from the front to the back. So started off with the radiator support down there that was all rusted out. Cleaned that out and redid that. Did the front, did the cowl. Now I'm doing the hood and the fenders. Then I'll probably get to this front cowl here, valance, whatever you want to call it. Then I'll work my way up to these holes here. Probably cut and weld. I gotta use my welder, it's been a while. And work on the roof. And then the back trunk. And that'll be it. Until the next one, guys. Peace.